Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. This is the one we call the Appalachian cabin. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one. I think it is stunning. Look at them beautiful handcrafted Amish built cabinets. Look at these steps. It goes up to the loft. This is a beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath cabin plus the loft, making it a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. You can also upgrade and add a bathroom in the loft area to make it a 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Beautiful structure, built by the Amish. We ship it nationwide. I love this 20-foot high ceiling. It just makes the whole place feel massive, you know? I'm a tall fella, so I love a high ceiling. I'm 6'6". So if you like what you see, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Ask for OC. AmishBuiltCabins.com. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and please comment below. Let me know what y'all think about this one, because I think it is gorgeous, but I'd love to get some feedback from you guys, because my opinion don't matter. You guys' does. So let me know something, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Thanks for tuning in. Beautiful. 812-595-4033. That's my number. 812-595-4033. Y'all be blessed. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com. This is the cabin we call the Big Bertha 3.0 cabin. Beautiful structure. This is the living room. Quick little tour here. This is the downstairs master bedroom. And of course, in the downstairs master, you got to have your master bathroom, right? Nice and convenient. Okay. Got your electric already wired, 200 amp. Got your little living room, like I said. That goes upstairs to the second floor. Underneath the stairs here, you got your 40-gallon water heater, or we can go tankless if you want. Got your galley kitchen here, everything included: stove, refrigerator, microwave, dishwasher. Got you a nice pretty little farm sink here. Look out your window to your land. Refrigerator. Got your little pantry door right over here. Over here, keep going. Stackable washer and dryer. Again, generous, nice size. Communal bathroom. Bathroom essential closet goes in here. Again, your little spot there for your dining room nook. I'll go upstairs and show you that and walk outside real quick. This is a little quick tour, y'all. Go upstairs. And here you got like an A-frame style bedroom. Okay, one of your dormers is here. All kinds of natural light coming in. Look at that knotty pine. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Okay, look at that. Got your LVP floors. Got knotty pine rails. And then huge loft. This thing is massive, guys. You could fit 3 king-size beds in here. There's your other dormer. We got it set up as an office, but most folks will wall this off, just like that one's walled off over there, and make it a 3rd master bedroom, or just a 3rd bedroom in general. Beautiful. Look at that. Remember too, y'all, I'm 6'6". I'm a tall fella, and I got all kinds of headspace up here, so it ain't tight up here. Keep going. Show you the outside real quick, the money shot. There's your back door. Underneath here, you got what I call them doggy doors, where you get a little extra storage underneath the stairs. And then show you the outside for the money shot here. You come outside, you got a porch, 6-foot by 46-foot porch. There's the Big Bertha 1.0. This is the Big Bertha 3.0 right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like from the outside. Beautiful cabin. Built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. Remember too, if you don't want the D-log siding, we can do the metal siding on it. We can do a different color stain on it if you want. We can add a 3rd dormer up there. We can take the dormers off. Lots of options. On the inside, we can do all white walls instead of the knotty pine. So lots of options there. If you are interested, give us a call at 812-595-4033. Again, that's 812-595-4033. This is the Big Bertha 3.0 cabin. Link in the bio. Don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I love y'all. Y'all be blessed. All right, people ask me all the time if they can order the Appalachian cabin, and instead of having all that wood siding on it, it has more of the lap siding look instead of the log cabin look. And here's one that we're doing for our customer right now. They wanted the white metal roof and then this color siding on it instead of the wood look, and I think it's turned out beautifully here. So they opted out of a front porch because they're going to do their own thing with that. But this is basically an Appalachian cabin with the lap siding on it instead of the D-log siding. Okay, so pretty cool. Just to kind of give you all a different look, let y'all know that our cabins can be done in a way to where they don't look like a cabin. They look more like a modern farmhouse or home with the lap siding on the outside. Gives it a different look. So that is an option, guys, so keep that in mind. You can go with the wood look, or you can go with more of the modern farmhouse look with the lap siding or the hardy board siding. All right, guys, we got a new one on the lot. We call this one the Rocky Balboa because this one will knock you out. The Rocky Balboa. Beautiful structure here, built by the Amish. We ship them nationwide. We can do this one on trailer, or we can do it off a trailer. As you can see, this one is built on a trailer as a park model, RVIA certified. Again, what I love about this one is you got that beautiful board and batten kind of metal siding with that tongue and groove pine on the facing, and you see the ridge got the LED lights and all that on the roof. Isn't that pretty? I love this kind of Scandinavian Nordic look. The dimensions on this one is 13 by this one is 13 by, I think what they say it was 37. 13 by 37 I think is what this one is. Yeah, 13 by 37. And you can look at the exact dimensions on the website. And let me go ahead and take you inside this one real quick. I don't have a lot of time today because I got some customers coming to my lot to talk to me about a couple of things. So let's walk in here and show you this one real fast. So right when you walk in, again, you got them pretty dark floors. You got the white birch walls. That ain't sheetrock, y'all. That's real birch wood painted white. And then you got the dark ceiling, which I love. Okay, I love that contrast where you got the black windows. By the way, these are Anderson windows. Okay, those are black Anderson windows. So you got like a little living room area here. There's your Bosch mini split. Okay, and then you got one bedroom over here. Okay, which you can easily fit a twin or a full bed in here. Or you could do a bunk bed, like a twin bunk bed, or one of them bunk beds where you got the full size one on the bottom and then the twin on top. And again, you got your, look at this, got your pocket doors for privacy. Open those up and it opens up into your full kitchen. So you got your electric stove. Obviously, you got your refrigerator right over there. And you're ready to roll. Okay, so you're ready to roll there. You got some little shelving. Okay, we got some people here wanting to get in this one. So let me hurry up. Here in the bathroom, we haven't put the little thing on top of the commode yet. I still got the blue tape on it, so I'm getting ready to put that on there. But I was in a hurry to kind of film this for y'all real quick. There you go, you got your full shower here. I'm just doing a quick video. I'll do a more in-depth one later. Stackable, washer and dryer with more cabinet space up top. And then you got bedroom number 2, which is the master bedroom over here. Got your little fan. Again, I love all that lighting coming in. You got that shed roof. There's your other mini split with the remote control. All kinds of natural light coming in. Again, this is just a quick tour. I'll do a more in-depth tour later. But right now, I got people wanting to get in here to see this one. So let me get out of their way. I know y'all want to get in, so let me let y'all in real quick. Y'all go ahead. And this is what the outside looks like over here. So there you go.